my goodness. Is that Malcolm Stewart in the whoops? What the?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome fall.
Luke, do you want to help me mix your gas? So we're gonna mix the gas at 32 to 1, which the first thing we gotta do is math. I know your teachers always told you you're not gonna use math in real life. They're usually right, but in this case, we need 4 gallons at $279.9 a gallon. How much is that?
I don't know. Right?
Mason, help us out. How much money do we need on gas? So Mason, how much is that?
Around 22.
Good job. The next thing you do, take the lid off the oil, take your key, poke the top, and then here, Mason, dump that in.
Chug, you big fatty.
Stop just before 4 gallons. So this is the most important part, Mason. We have to get the very last drop out of here. Put a little bit of gas in there, Mason. Mason, stop. Mason, look, put a little bit of gas in there. Look, what? A little more. You put the lid back on, shake it up.
Making a protein shake.
How about you try to put the lid on all the way, numbnuts. Okay, now dump it in there.
Over. I tried to do it one
There we go.
time. I tried to do it one time.
Close enough. What's he doing? Why is he pulling his feet off? All right, Luke, now you're in trouble. Luke's never really ridden this track very much, but even still, he's really taking it easy. He's really timid. Now Gina just showed up. Let's see if she can spark some fire in him.
Got it?
I didn't know that double was there.
Oh, it's you.
I saw you guys pass by while I was practicing my start.
Gina wants to see your arena cross skills, buddy. We're gonna go to the arena cross track, all right? Okay. Feel free, guys. As soon as we came to this track, everybody else did too. Oh, right into that rock. Great job, Mason. The biggest rock on the track, and Mason managed to hit it. Great job, buddy. Oh my goodness, is that Malcolm Stewart in the whoop? What the?
Yeah, so when you come around this corner, I stand, shift. But you shift down when you get to this corner. I'm constantly on the throttle. You just come down here and you shift. You're still on the throttle. You heard that, right? I want you to do that.
You're pretending to be slow as that kid and smoking him? You're funny, Mason. Are you gonna smoke him again?
He's on a TCR 92, right?
He's on the same bike as you, Mason. Go show him how to jump that. Luke, did you hear like how the bike sounded when I was pinning it? Before I'm even turning, I'm already on the gas, and I'm using the acceleration of the back wheel to help swing the bike around. Not bad. Gina, he got the whole shot. See that? He just got the whole shot. I was like, I'll stand in the middle. One will go this way, the other will go that way. And then they both almost hit me. Gina, are you okay with being in our video?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good. All right, guys, I want to give a real quick thank you to Gina for 4 reasons, or 5. We'll do 4.5 reasons, okay? First of all, thank you so much because she was working with Luke and helping Luke with straightaways and stuff, so thank you for that. Also, thank you for letting me ride your bike, which was awesome. Your bike rips, so that's the 3rd reason. Thank you for letting me ride your bike, and thank you for having a bike that rips and I felt really comfortable on. 4th reason is she got some really cool shots of me going slow through the whoops, so that was fun. Thank you for getting shots of me doing that. And then 5th reason, what's the 5th reason, guys?
I don't know.
I thought you should get a bike.
Well, actually, the 5th reason is she reminded me that I need to get a 125 because I was kind of on the fence. Like, I'm getting older and overweight, so I'm like, do I really want a 125 or should I get a 250? But her 125 felt perfect to me. Like, I felt so comfortable. I felt like I could hit doubles and roost the heck out of Luke and stuff. So that's really all I want. It's perfect.